See if I could get some of these lightning flashes. Or just one minute ago. Not even. These storms are down by Schuylkill, Carbon County, Monroe County area. This is from Old Forge. There we go. There's some lightning. I wish I had a higher resolution, but running out of phone space. See if we can get any more lightning out of that. It's random, so I just gotta play the waiting game. I'll let this video go to 1 minute. If we get anything before the 1 minute mark. There we go. Okay, so I made it worthwhile. And there's a car, blocking on it. So, just a minute.